Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this look right here using the new Colourpop Kathleen Lights So Jaded palette, and I created this very fall look. So if you guys want to know how to create this look using this palette right here, just keep on watching and don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, please turn on the bell notifications so you can be notified every time I upload, since YouTube wants to be shady and not show everyone's video. So make sure you turn them on so you can be notified every time I upload. Now let's get started with the tutorial. Here's the Colourpop Kathleen Lights So Jaded eyeshadow palette. It is so beautiful. This is their first big eyeshadow palette and I'm so happy I got it. This is the palette right here. I did swatch it and I just wanted to swatch the colors that I'm gonna use today. And this does not have a mirror, but it's so cute. I love the packaging. A mirror would have been nice, so I can just go like this right now to do my eyeshadow, but it's okay, I'll use another one. These are very great for the fall, so I'm gonna create a really fall look today. It is fall already, so I just wanted to create fall looks. I'm gonna do another fall look coming up soon, and it's gonna be all drugstore, so I hope you guys enjoy that as well. I'm gonna prime with the P. Louise base, and I'm just blending it with the Makeup Shack concealer brush real quick. Today I am going to set the base. I just want to start from lightest to darkest color this time. Usually I start with the darkest eyeshadow and then I go in with the lightest, but I'm gonna do it backwards today, the OG way, how I used to do it. Now I'm gonna jump into the lightest shade. This is My Precious, which is this one here. It is a little bit messy, and if you don't like that, you're not gonna like that color, because maybe the rest of the colors are not like this. They don't have a lot of fallout, but just beware that this one does. So I'm just tapping it all over so it's not tacky anywhere. Now that that's set, I'm going to move on to the Makeup Shack T11 brush. I love this brush. This is my favorite brush ever. I'm going to jump into the shade Yura Gem, which is this one here. It's a light brown peachy shade. I'm just blending it all over the crease. And little by little, start building it up. So this is gonna be the shade that's gonna be highest. I'm bringing this shade all the way to the inner corner as well. I'm taking the shade Carnelian, which is this one here, the one under it, with my Sigma E40 brush right here. Use my code Adriana to save money. That one has a lot of fallout. It has more fallout than the one on top. Take it a little bit under. Right there. This shade, I'm taking it all the way to the inner corner as well. Tapping it all in and then blending it out. And then I'm taking the fluffy brush, the one that I used first, and just blending some more. Next shade I'm taking is called Garnet, which is this one up here, the red one. So this one right here, with my Sigma E25 brush, a little bit under the other shade here, and this is just in the outer corner. So I'm kind of tapping. I'm just taking my Sigma E40 and blending it out now. I'm really liking the shades, but it's not the same quality as their other eyeshadows, like the ones in the little squares that I love. I don't know, I feel like this palette is not wowing me. It's just so different than the other palettes, and I don't know how I feel about it. It's just like blending away. The shades are blending away too much. Like, I've been packing on this shade and I don't see anything. The next brush that I'm taking, this is Morphe M507, and I'm just going to get this brown shade here. This is the shade Jasper. It's alright. Gonna blend it out with my E40. I hope the shimmer shades are nice, at least. I'm just going to wipe off all this mess here. And for the lid shade, I'm just taking my finger with the ruby shade, this one. Just on this side here, the outer corner, the outer part of the lid. Okay, the shimmer shade is nice, really creamy. I just want to take the shade Sunstone, this one here, and just put it in the inner part of my eye. And I'm just taking my Makeup Shack T2. So like the inner corner and higher up. I do want to take the shade Ruby again and just add it up to the lid. I don't know, I just love this shade. This shade is here to stay. The matte shades were a little disappointing. So this is what the eyeshadow is looking like. I'm really loving it. Just in the beginning it was kind of too much with the matte shades. It was kind of patchy, but the shimmer shade kind of fixed it. And I'm just gonna add mascara. I'm just using this NYX On The Rise Volume Lifting Mascara. I'm prepping for the lashes later on so they can be dry already. I'm just going to do this side off camera and I'll be right back. So I am done with my face, as you guys can see, and I am going to list all the products down below so you guys can check them out. I really love how my face came out. I used a new type of blush. It's more rosy for the fall, so that's what I used and it matches my eyes pretty well. So now I'm just going to take these Queen Bee eyelashes by Oh Honey Lashes with my Makeup Shack glue, and I'm gonna let them dry a little bit just so I can do my lower lash line. I'm just going to use my Sigma E25 brush and I'm gonna take the shade Garnet. So that one's gonna be spread all over. And connecting it with the edge. For eyeliner, I think I'm gonna use the shade Alkaline by Urban Decay. I'm just going to put that on the waterline. And then I'm just taking that brush, the T2, for the inner corner with the shade Sunstone. This shade just screams out fall to me. And then just a little bit of mascara. Now I can pop on the lashes. Lashes are on. Now moving on to the lips. I'm gonna use the Morphe lip liner in Toastie. For the liquid lipstick, I'm using the Dose of Colors liquid lipstick in Mood. This is what it looks like. This is my mood right now. Really fall. Look at that. Really fall vibes right now. I really do love this palette. Just I need to work with the other shades. I didn't really want to create a green look, but a lot of the people were already creating green looks. And the blue look, I really wanted to dig into these colors here, but I recently did a blue look, so I was like, no, I'll just stick to the red shades over here. So that's what I did, and that's what you guys voted on Instagram as well. I asked you guys if you guys wanted more of a blue look or bronze warm shades, so you guys did pick this, and I am really digging it. I really love the vibe that I'm getting. It's really fall vibes. I just can't wait for Christmas and Thanksgiving. I love to eat, if you guys know me. I'm a foodie, so I can't wait for the tamales, you know, the turkey and Thanksgiving. So yeah, I really did enjoy it, but the grade that I'm going to give this palette is a B. So I'm gonna give this palette a B just because of the matte shades. I would have given it an A if it would have worked just like their other palettes that I love. You guys know I love the peach one and it's so amazing, but this one just I had a hard time blending. This palette does retail for $39, so if you're gonna pick it up, make sure you're really sure about it because it is more on the pricier side. I think it's even pricier than Morphe palettes, so yeah, this does have more shades obviously than the Morphe palettes, but still they're a little bit smaller. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this look right here. It is very fall vibes. So if you guys want more looks like this for the fall, let me know down in the comments and give this video a thumbs up if you loved it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.